Hi, my name is Patrick Hill. I'm one of the founders here at Triplepoint. Today I want to talk about our 10-year target. Our 10-year target is our big, hairy, audacious goal, the thing we want to do in the next 10 years that seems really incredible here today. So our 10-year target is to make lagoons the obvious choice, a net increase in lagoons in North America by 2033. And so for you don't know the lagoon market, you don't know the wastewater market, when we first started in it, it was a thing where people looked at lagoons and they said, you know, this is just kind of old technology. It needs to be replaced. It's not going to meet the new nutrient requirements, et cetera, et cetera. But the more we started selling to the communities that have lagoons and the industries that have lagoons, the more we saw how great the system was, how easy it was to operate, how low cost it was to build, how passive it was, and how it's really a perfect fit for those types of communities. So we really set our sights on what we call lagoons do it better. And that's still our motto today, which is just trying to change this perception from this being old technology to this being, you know, something that actually is a resource that should be leveraged, and it's actually a good thing. And yes, you need to add equipment and sometimes you need to upgrade lagoon systems to help them meet the new limits. You could do that and you could preserve a lot of the benefits of lagoons. And that's what we did. We started doing that probably 10 years ago, and the perception within the industry went from lagoons are old technology to now any real engineer who's working with a customer needs to consider a lagoon upgrade as opposed to just replacing the lagoon. And that's pretty regular. That's pretty obvious for most engineers now. So it's incredible what we've been able to achieve and the millions and millions of dollars we've been able to save by people not replacing their lagoons with new mechanical plants that are really hard to operate. And I've had engineers walk up to me at shows and be like, hey, before you guys came along, there were no good options. And then you came up along and we have these great options for our customers, and it's really been a fantastic thing. But we're not done yet. What this 10-year target's all about is about that next step, right? It's about, can we not only make lagoons not go away, but can we see a net increase? Can we get people building more lagoons? And we set this vision and this target, right, to go full circle on this mentality from, hey, lagoons are old technology to be replaced, to, hey, lagoons are great, we need to add lagoons. We need to have more lagoons than less. And so this is quite incredible in a lot of ways. But if we accomplish this target, we will have changed the industry entirely over a period of time, which is super, super exciting. And if you're interested in this, you're interested in changing the game, you're interested in going to the next level, the Triplepoint might be a good home for you.